Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to another video related to equation of straight line. The detail is given in terms of function that the function is a straight line. Function is a straight line at the slope of f of x if the slope of f of x is 2 by 3 and value of the function at 1 is 1, then find f of 3 by 2. So how can this be done? Let us begin the solution. Here slope is m is 2 by 3. F of 1 equal to 1 gives us the clue about the point through which the line passes, means x is 1, y is 1. So equation is given by this formula is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, and we can name them x1, y1. The detail provided and the statement is utilized. Y minus y1 is 1, m is 2 by 3, x minus x1 is also 1. So this 3 comes on this side to be multiplied with these two, and 2 on right side multiplies with these two. So this is 3y minus 1 minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 2. And then we can take this 3 on right side, so 3y is equal to 2x minus 2. Already on right side 3 goes there to be added. 3 is added, so this becomes 3y is equal to 2x plus 1. And then we can take this 3 on right hand side, it divides right hand side form, so it becomes 2 by 3x plus 1 by 3. This is f of x, right? Y is f of x. This is f of x 2 by 3x plus 1 by 3. We have to find f of 3 by 2 is equal to 2 by 3 times x is 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So this 3 cancels 3, 2 cancels 2. So what we have, f of 3 by 2 is equal to 1 is left here plus 1 by 3. So this is 1 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So it becomes LCM is 3, right? 3 plus 1. So this is finally f of 3 by 2 is equal to, this becomes finally 4 by 3. So here is the completion of the solution.